Hi there, my name is Kyla Plaxton. I'm with Acupressure Academy, and this morning what we're going to work on is having a revitalizing morning. So thank you so much for joining me. And what my goal is this morning is to help you use acupressure points to help you get up and go in the morning, get your body to be in its natural rhythm and flow and self-regulation. So you're not relying on outside sources to help you get up and go, like caffeine. There's lots of great things. Caffeine's not bad necessarily, but too much of it can tax the kidneys, and then this overwork thing, right? So we're tapping into the natural meridians and natural flows of the universe and using that energy to support us instead of other things. Okay, so let's get started here. First, what we're going to do is go to the tops of our shoulders here. So if the shoulders are like a tabletop, the base of the neck, you want to go 3 fingers out from the base. On the 3rd finger, I usually use my middle finger and push directly down and toward the floor. And taking a nice deep breath here. All right, we can take in one more nice deep breath. I just switched it up there a little bit because it was getting quite bright there with the sun in the background, which is fine, but it can be a little bit blinding. So I just switched it a little bit so the lighting was better for you. Okay, so we just did the top of the shoulders. Now what we're gonna do is go up into the base of the neck. So if you go up the spine here, all the way up into the base of the skull, the head, you'll find a little indent there, and then go up over that bump on both sides there into another indent, and you're going to push up into the indent toward the opposite eye. Hold those at the same time. I usually use my middle fingers, but use whichever finger you like, and probably press pretty firm, but you want it to be firm, but not like so it's stressing out other areas, and it can take time. So as you practice every single day, your fingers are going to get stronger, and you're going to be able to find that happy medium of firmness, but allowing that energy also to flow. Okay, so press firm toward the opposite eye. I hope you've been breathing. I'll take in one more nice, long, slow, deep breath. Finding that stillness. Awesome. The next one, what we're going to do is where we found that indent the first time, we're going to go there, put light pressure there with the finger, and the other finger is going to go on the crown. So on the very top of the head here. You can just do a whole palm and press lightly. This is going to clear that mind. Using the natural rhythms of the universe. Just finding that inner stillness where everything kind of shifts and falls into place. Okay, this next one, what we're gonna do is bend over, way over. It's a bit of a Qigong move, which goes really well with acupressure. They go hand in hand, both Qigong, Neigong, all that stuff. Opens up the meridians like the pressure points do. So bend over at the back, on the small of your back here where the muscles go inward, you're gonna start to tap with your fist lightly, get that energy moving. If you can, try to just like hang your head down, let it all hang. Keep your knees bent a little bit. And then rub vigorously. Get that chi moving. Universal energy, you want to bring that in. And then come up nice and slow. And as you breathe that in, imagine it coming up the back of the spine. And then forward down the front of the body. Next, I want you to put your hands over your belly. So 2 fingers down from the belly button. Your knees slightly bent, and then stick your intention. The 2 fingers down, but in between your back and your belly, like in the middle of your body. So you want to put your intention there. And what we're going to do is some deep belly breathing. So you want to fill this up, this area up with breath. So we're going to take one in, puff out the belly, like you're looking like you're trying to be pregnant or something. Push and release. Pull that belly in. As you exhale, inhale, fill that belly up. Fill, full, 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 full. Hold, push, like puff it out. And then exhale. Now in the next inhale, you want to puff the front out, but also the back. Careful if you get a little bit lightheaded or anything like that. Just kind of slow it down a little bit. Maybe don't push it out so much, but it feels really good to get all that oxygen in there and fill up that energy field, okay? So do it one more time. Puffing out the front and then the back. You can kind of concave a little bit. Good, and then exhale, beautiful. Now I want you to take that energy that we just built up there in the lower belly, or also called the dantian, breathe that in, and imagine it going up your back, your spine, to your crown, and then cascading down the front, into the belly, and over and back up your spine. And down again, and we're gonna do it one more time. Good, and exhale. Bring it all into the belly here, getting that engine going, the carburetor going, getting that all moving. It's so, so, so good for you. Okay, beautiful job. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a couple pressure points that are on the feet and zing that energy up, okay? So the first one is on the very top of the foot. A little bit hard to see. I'm mostly going to describe it, but here you have your big toe, your second toe. You're going to go into the web of that toe and then push. I use my pointer finger, push in on it kind of fast and sharp and against your big toe. So it's into the web and then against the big toe. Okay, so if you can bend over or sit down if you need to. If you want to kind of take a bit of a yogi kind of mountainy pose while you're doing it too, that's really great. But close your eyes and take 3 nice, long, slow, deep breaths. Good, and I actually didn't close my eyes, kind of want to fall over. I'm not that balanced, not at this moment anyway. So if you want to just find a spot on the floor if you are standing. That's kind of nice because you're just waking up. We're getting the energy moving to stand and hold these pressure points. So again, you're going to find it at the top of the foot, between the big toe and the second toe. Go into the web and against the big toe. Hold firm and fast and breathe. Good job. Now the next point is right on the hand. Again, it's in the web. It's similar to the one on the foot. Actually, often I'll hold them at the same time when I'm doing a session on somebody, but this works great too. So you go into the web between the thumb and the pointer finger, go up and push in toward the pointer finger this time. See if you can see, yeah. Okay, push that. 3 nice, long, slow, deep breaths. A little caution here. This one and the first one we did aren't great if you're doing if you're pregnant. So if you are pregnant, just do the other ones and leave the one that's on the top of the shoulder and this one out. for everybody else. Let's keep going. Take 3 nice, long, slow, deep breaths. Switch. We're almost done here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work. Thank you so much for joining me today, this morning. I hope that you feel calm, grounded, centered, energized. And if you want to go deeper with me, please come and join me in the Acupressure Academy Facebook group, where I go and I come on live every Thursday at noon PST, and I'm there to support and answer any questions that you may have. I'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.
'Cause the morning sun is stretching every smile.